What is up, you guys? Thank you for watching another video. I've been waiting so long to make this video for you guys. It's something I've really been wanting to show you guys, especially if you live like in a community where you can't have loud cars, but you want a loud car. So it's going to benefit those people that want to do that. And as you guys could see, it still has the stock exhaust. So the thing I did to my car to solve that issue, I bought an exhaust valve, so it basically just dumps right after the downpipe. So to do that, I actually did end up taking off the mid-pipe resonator. As I think WRXs do not have that resonator, it just has the two mufflers in the back. So here I'll show you guys underneath the car, so you guys could see where I placed it. Okay, so that's the front of the car. So it's basically right there. I'll show you guys on the other side. I think you guys will have a better view of the exhaust valve. So it's basically right there. That's where the mid pipe connects to the downpipe. So that's where the old resonator was. So I took that off and I put that thing in there. And for those people that want to do this to their car, I'll put the link in the bio. Here, let's take off this flash. Okay, much better. So I took it to a muffler shop, obviously, to have them cut the mid resonator and then just weld this piece, just because I didn't want to run into any issues since it's stainless steel. But I think it should have welded the same. How you connect it to the power, it has like a 12-foot wire where I connected it right here. So this is basically it. I just ran the wire like through the seats, the back seats, and down the third brake light down to the valve, because I was trying to put it through like the steering wheel, like through up there, but I just couldn't find a place. It was just too much. So I was just like, well, I know that for sure I could run it back through the brake light, because I've done that before on my WRX. Just look up somebody who is installing a third brake light on YouTube and they will show you how to run that wire through there, and then I just ran it through the back. So that's pretty easy. So that's pretty much it. And this setup that I have right now, there's literally no drone in the car, which is perfect. But I actually kind of miss how it sounded before. Just super duper loud. That was fun. I'm just gonna keep it this way because it's convenient for me. So I'm gonna hop in the driver's seat and I'll show you guys on how the remote works and stuff. And then I'll give you guys a little cruise and stuff, just so you guys could see how it sounds. And I'll start her up and put the phone down there so you guys could see how she purrs. This thing definitely needs a wash though. It's literally snowing in April in Washington. How the heck does that even happen? I was just vacuuming the car right now. I was like, screw it, I'm gonna make this video for you guys. So that thing's connected right there. Right now I'm just listening to music, that's why that screen is on. But here, where's the controller? It's over here. So there's the controller it comes with. Has open and close, so you have like 5 settings, which honestly for me, I either have it all the way open or just all the way closed. I don't really like to do in between or stuff like that, just because it kind of does rattle like on the 3rd or 4th setting. So I don't understand why they would why somebody would want to run it like that, you know. So let's see. I think it's open right now, so let's see. So it should be all closed. Once you click it, you're gonna hear like little clicks. So when I turn it on right now, it's not gonna sound loud at all. It's gonna sound basically stock. But since I did take off the mid resonator, it does sound just a tiny bit loud, but not anything significant. You see? Basically stock. See how many miles we have on this thing. So that's that. I'm gonna turn it off, and then the only way, so when the car is off, the valve is off too, so that red light isn't there. So let's just we'll just put it on right there. Now let's just turn it all the way on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Here, I'll put the phone outside so you guys could hear. pretty loud, but how I had it before, it was way louder. It's kind of ghetto, like I said, because I was using like metal zip ties and stuff, but it worked, you know. So this exhaust system, I honestly like it. It's quiet and then loud when you want it, especially like if you don't want to do any mods to your car for the meantime and you just want to enjoy the stock or whatever reason you have. For me, I just want to hold on the mods right now, just for a little while longer, just trying to enjoy the car as much as I can stock, because this car is not going to be stock at all after I do what I'm going to do to it, which is something you guys are probably going to really like. So yeah, that's how this thing sounds. It's pretty loud. Yeah, so when we close it, 1, 2, 3, that's the rattle I was telling you guys about. So there we go, that's the last click, that's 5. And yeah, it really sounds stock. But since we're going on a cruise right now, let's just open it all the way. I just do like 6 clicks just to make sure you open all the way. It's actually a pretty nice day out today. Or not, I guess I spoke too soon. There's a big old cloud over there. I think it's like snowing or something. Because I know, well, today is Sunday. Tomorrow's gonna be Monday, which is supposed to snow, so I don't even know. Just so the car warms up to actually like punch it and stuff, so you guys could hear how it sounds inside of the car. Dang, the sun is burning me. I hardly ever use my moon roof or sunroof, whatever you guys call it nowadays. No drone, guys, it sounds perfect. And that part I think cost me like $179, so it's not even expensive at all. So if you're on a budget and just don't want to spend that much on an exhaust, this is perfect. That's all you need. Alright, I think I could put it on sport mode now. Let's see. Okay. For you guys to hear how it sounds. Sounds pretty good, guys. Picks up fast. I honestly like it. So you guys could hear how it sounds from the outside. I just didn't want to do it at my house because I know the neighbors would for sure not like that. So I'm gonna go to a park right now, and then I'll give you a couple revs. Sounds good. Okay guys, so since the exhaust is like almost like right here, I think I'm just gonna stick out the phone. It's basically gonna be the same, because I was gonna put the phone obviously in the bag, but I mean none of the sound is gonna be in the bag. It's gonna be like in the middle of the car. So I think I'm just gonna put my phone down here, and then I'm just gonna give you a couple revs. But yeah, guys, you actually do get some pops with this exhaust system. Just like as you guys heard right there. So I really recommend it, honestly. It's cheap, no drone. You could have it quiet when you want to or loud whenever you want to. I literally had it for like a month already. No problems whatsoever. People say that their controller breaks, but I mean, I wouldn't want to have this hanging from my keychain at all times, so I just keep it right there. And yeah, so far it's worked. No problems. I've driven it in the rain and stuff, so the motor or the valve underneath hasn't gone bad on me. So the product does what the company said it was going to do. So yeah, so I'll put the link in the bio, like I said. And honestly, thank you guys so much for watching. Like it up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I've been trying to get these videos out for you guys little by little. I've just been working so much, but yeah, hopefully you guys like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.